Today, I want to introduce you to two compact mic adapters from Azden, the MC-1PH and the MC-1A. Both are designed to give creators more flexibility with their audio, especially when using DSLR or mirrorless cameras that only have a single stereo mic input. Let's start with what they both have in common. Both adapters are lightweight and compact, so they're easy to carry in your bag. They let you connect multiple microphones at once, lavaliers, handhelds, camera mics, or wireless systems, and route them into your camera's stereo input.
And the sound input from two sources will be sent separately to the camera's left and right channels.
Now the MC-1A is the simpler of the two. It lets you combine two monaural microphones through a 3.5mm mini plug and send them to your camera's stereo input. You also have the option of an XLR plug-in. The mic just needs to have its own battery power. It's also compatible with 2.4 GHz dual wireless systems, which makes it easy to record multiple people at the same time. The MC-1PH, on the other hand, takes things a step further. In addition to a 3.5mm input, it includes professional XLR input with phantom power support. By connecting an external power source to USB-C, you can use condenser microphones and shotgun mics that require phantom power, like Azden's SGM-250LX mic. This makes the MC-1PH the better choice when you need professional grade microphones in your setup. Whether you're a solo shooter, content creator, or working with a small crew, the MC-1A and the MC-1PH give you the tools to capture clean, professional audio wherever you shoot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.